Mama, welcome to my vlog. Wow, we are having fun here today. Mama, how are you feeling? I feel happy. Wow. Guys, we are stuck here. Look at the situation of here. These guys are going for fishing.
Oh, pwede naman doon siya dumaan.
The condition of the road. Baba! Baba! Enjoying? Hi guys, we're stuck here. JR, what do you want? Mr. Negative?
What?
This one is number one, Mr. Negative.
What do you want?
Wow, you are looking so handsome.
I mean, looking for me, Bobby.
You are looking handsome. Handsome boy of Kids Nation.
Wait.
Now eat. Ew.
No need. Okay.
Let them fly.
Together with you, fly also.
Like a bird?
Like the giant bird.
Drama. Drama! Drama!
So, you waiting? What waiting? I thought waiting. I thought waiting.
Yes, number one. Old guy.
What are you, vlogger or tangarer?
I'm a vlogger. Do you want to say something on my YouTube channel?
No,
Why?
plus your karpan. Too much drama.
I have a beautiful subscriber, okay?
This is too much drama. Don't listen to her. Number one drama in the Philippines.
This one from Japan.
Thank you. Hi, gozaimasu. Konnichiwa.
How are you feeling, Baba, today?
Not good because of you.
Oh, well. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What?
Let's go. Thank you, brother.
Finally! Guys!
Did nothing. Did nothing come. Dito na lang, Dre. Akala ka rin mga paso, wala na.
Oh, wow! Jar, catch a big fish for me, okay? Big fish, big fish. Enjoy.
One step.
One step. Huh?
Until now, vlog.
How are you feeling? We are here finally.
So,
Please tell your review. We survived, Mama. We survived. We survived from the flood.
I'm
Mama.
happy because of this baby.
Okay. Say bye-bye to the Salamat.
Salamat.
Finally, we are here at our workplace. I'm happy because this man, he suffered. That's why I'm happy. Oh my God. Mama happy? Yeah. Boys, are you happy now?
Huh?
Because your beautiful wife is here. Say hi.